I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here to conduct a story for you all. I know you all love to listen stories, right? So let's enjoy the story of Max, who loved to eat junk food like burger, pizza. Okay, so let's start.
Max loved eating sweets, chocolates, burgers, chips, and everything that his mom called junk. He even fed them to his beloved dog, Ruff. Max ate junk food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. His mom always said to him,
Max, it is fine to eat burgers or sweets once in a while. But you should also eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, cereal, breads, chicken, fish, etc.
Max would smile and say,
No way, Mom. I will eat only what I want to eat and nothing else.
So one day his mom said that she won't be feeding Ruff anymore. She asked Max to take care of it and feed it with whatever he felt was right. Max smiled and took Ruff to his bedroom. That night the two of them had lots of sweets and chocolates. This happened for a couple of days. Every day Max would take Ruff outside and feed it with all sorts of street food. Soon Max realized that Ruff was not enjoying it anymore. One morning when Max got up, he saw Ruff lying on the floor. He was sick and did not have the energy to get up. Quickly, Max decided to take him to a doctor. When he tried to get dressed, all the buttons on his shirt went pop, pop, pop.
Oh no! My shirt has shrunk!
Cried Max. And as Max put on a pair of his pants, rip, rip, rip went the pants. Max ran to his cupboard and tried on all of his clothes. Pop, pop, pop went all the buttons on all of his shirts. Rip, rip, rip went all of his pants. Max cried,
Oh no! All of my clothes have shrunk! What will I do now?
Mom heard Max crying and went to his bedroom. She was about to say something but suddenly started screaming. Both Max and Ruff started expanding and growing. Max grew fatter and fatter while Ruff expanded widely. Soon Max started feeling suffocated. It seemed that the room was not big enough for him and he felt hungry as well. His mom quickly got out of the room as there was just no space for her. Max tried to get out of the room, but he just could not get through the door. Max had to break the door to get out of that small room quickly. He got the kitchen and looked for something to eat. He saw a burger and gulped it down in a single bite. Alas, he expanded more and felt hungrier. Here, take this, said Mom and asked, to try a glass of milk. The moment Max had it, he shrunk a bit. Next, his mother made him a bowl of vegetable salad. Max had some of it and his body started shaking wildly, with sweets, burgers and pizzas popping out of his mouth. Suddenly, he realized that his mother was shaking him. It was morning and Mom was once again scolding him for eating sweets throughout the night. Max hugged his mom and said,
I'm sorry. I promise I won't have any junk food from now on.
Mom was surprised to see this change in Max. On the other hand, Max thanked God that whatever he saw was just a dream and he was saved.
So, my dear children, I hope you all like this story. So, there is a lesson for you all. You have to eat healthy food, okay? And always listen to your mom. Eating healthy food makes you strong and healthy, okay? And always say no to all those junk food. Okay, my dear children? So that's it. Bye everyone. Be safe and stay at your home.